What's going on? It's Kainu back here again for another video. Today I'm going to show you how to find the largest files on your computer so you can delete them and create more storage on your computer. Let's get into it. All right, so here we are on the Windows 11 desktop. What you're gonna do is come down to the bottom to your File Explorer. If you do not see that down at the bottom, you can come into the search bar right here, click in there, and then type in File Explorer. Once you see that, you go ahead and click on that, wait for it to open, and then on the left-hand side, you're gonna click on this PC. Once that loads up, you're gonna see every single drive on your computer. I have my local disk, my data drive, I have my external drive, and then my Google Drive. This is gonna search all of those for your large files. What you're gonna do is come up to search this PC in the top right, and you're gonna type in size, the two dots, and then gigantic. And then it's gonna load up all of your largest files on your computer from the most recent file to the oldest file. It doesn't do it by size, which kind of sucks. These are gonna be the largest files on your computer, and you can go through and delete whichever one you want, whichever one you decide is deletable pretty much. So like I have a lot of video files on my computer, so I have multiple files that are 8, 10, 12 gigs. I might go through and delete all those. And then once you delete all those, if you come back to this PC on the left-hand side right here, you should see a little bit more space open up on whatever drive you deleted those off of. Keep in mind, typically the files will not delete right away, so you will have to go into your recycle bin. If you need a guide on how to do that, feel free to let me know, but that is how to delete the largest files on your computer. If you have any questions, drop a comment down in the comment section, and then make sure you like and subscribe. Don't forget to take it easy.